Let me paint a picture for you. You're in the hospital, maybe after an accident or serious illness, and you can't speak for yourself. Your bills still need to be paid, your medical care still needs decisions, but there's no one with the legal authority to act for you. Without the right documents in place, your loved ones could be stuck facing delays, court battles, and a mountain of stress right when you need them to simply be focusing on you. I'm attorney Stephen Howitz with Zimmer and Rens. I want to talk to you about something that's often overlooked but is essential for any estate plan where you want to protect yourself and your family in Wisconsin. Those are called powers of attorney. By the time we're done, you'll understand exactly what they are, what it can and can't do, and why having one is the best gift that you can give to your family. I'll say this up front. Don't wait on this. Everybody needs a power of attorney regardless of health, age, lifestyle, or family. It's absolutely essential in Wisconsin. A power of attorney is a legal document that lets you appoint someone you trust, called your agent, to step in and handle things for you when you can't. In Wisconsin, there are two main types that you'll certainly hear about. One covers financial matters like managing your bank accounts, paying your bills, selling property, anything that you give them the authority to do. The other covers medical decisions, things like authorizing life-sustaining treatment, choosing care options, getting access to your medical records and prescription drugs when you can't speak for yourself. You can make them durable, which means they stay in effect even when you become incapacitated, or you can have them kick in only under certain circumstances, such as if a doctor determines that you're unable to make decisions on your own. Why is this so important? Because life is unpredictable. You could have a sudden attack, you could have an accident, you could get sick unexpectedly, or you could simply be out of the state when something urgent happens. Without a power of attorney, your family might have to go through the court process called a guardianship to get help for you. That process can take weeks or months, and in the meantime, bills can pile up, medical decisions can be delayed, and the people who love you can feel completely overwhelmed and completely powerless. With a power of attorney, you choose who is making those decisions and exactly how you want them to act before anything happens. Now let's be clear. Having a power of attorney doesn't mean you give someone a blank check to run your life or spend your money. They can only do what you authorize and what would be in your best interest. It's important to know that a power of attorney ends when you pass away. They stop upon death. It's not a replacement for a will or a trust. It's really about protecting you while you're still here and need the help. You'd be unable to act for yourself, and that's why it's so essential. I've had clients where this made all the difference in the world. One family was able to seamlessly take care of both medical and financial matters for their loved one because they had everything in place. On the other hand, I've also done numerous guardianships where the fees, costs, and time can also be quite considerable. There was no power of attorney in place and no alternative to a guardianship. In Wisconsin, a power of attorney is effective as soon as you sign it, unless you specify that it takes effect later, such as upon your incapacity. You can change or revoke the power of attorney at any time as long as you're competent. The most important part is choosing someone you trust completely, someone who understands your wishes and will follow them to the letter of the law. I know these aren't easy things to talk about. No one likes to imagine a time when they can't make decisions on their own financially or medically. However, I can tell you from 16 years of experience, it's far harder for your loved ones if you leave these decisions unmade. Absence is not a choice. It does not fill in the blank. A power of attorney isn't about expecting the worst. It's about making sure that if the unexpected happens, you and your family are protected and things can move forward without any delay. If you don't already have a power of attorney as part of your estate plan, let's talk. Give me a call at Zimmer and Rens and we'll walk through your options together. It's a simple step that can save your family a tremendous amount of worry and heartache. It allows you to get the care you need the way you want to.